H. R. S.
S.
E. P. B.
Just the knockoff numbers right now. Or letters, excuse me.
I.
This is a game of letters, not numbers.
I don't know them.
L. Shit. B. Damn it, I guessed that already. K.
Come on.
Come on, girl, you can do it. F. Come on. Kidding me.
No.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Y.
You forgot a Y.
O, U.
What?
O and U. You forgot a Y. H. There's already an H down there. Damn it, there is. This is stressful. You're doing great, sweetie. M.
Will you marry me?
You made me cry.
Will you marry me?
Oh my god.
So yes.
Of course.
Nice. Yes.
Oh my god.
She's like in.
K. W.
Z.
F. Harry. Will you harry me?
Nice. Awesome. Have you looked at it? Come here. Look at it.
So did he.
Does he win?
Does he win?
They are not getting that goddamn champagne.
We won!
We still won, right?
We still won, right? Right? Because technically the time was 2 minutes and 49 seconds.
He's
Oh my god.